In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Canva website. It's a super handy skill to have, especially if you're looking to enhance your web presence with engaging content. So let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First off, you need to start by navigating to Elfsight. This is a platform that provides a variety of widgets you can integrate into your website, and they make the whole process pretty seamless. Once you're on the Elfsight homepage, look for the catalog section in the menu and click on it. In the catalog you'll find loads of options, but today we're interested in the audio player, so go ahead and click on that. This widget will be the backbone of adding audio to your site. Now you'll see various templates available for the audio player. Browse through and select the one that best suits your website's style. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue with this template. This is where you begin the customization process of your audio integration. Now you might want to tailor the audio track that comes with your selected template. To do this, look for the current track on the player, click the three dots next to it and select Delete. This clears the space for you to add your personal audio files. Simply select Add Tracks to upload your desired audio files. Next, click on the Player tab to view more customization options. Here you can decide if you want your audio to play automatically by selecting the autoplay feature. Once you're satisfied with all your customization choices, go ahead and click Publish. Now comes the part about choosing the right plan. For many, the free plan is perfectly adequate to get started. Find the free option and click Select, then proceed to the Share Link section. Here click on Copy Link to copy the URL that you'll use in Canva. Head over to your Canva website. If you haven't logged in yet, now's the time to do so. Once you're in your design workspace, look for the Apps option, typically located on the Editor side panel. Click on that and in the search bar type Embed. Click on Embed from the results. Now it's time to paste the link that you copied from Elfsight. Simply paste it into the provided space and then choose Add to Design. You'll see your audio widget appear on your Canva design. Feel free to resize it according to your design layout to ensure it looks integrated with the rest of your page. And that's it, you've successfully added audio to your Canva website. This enhancement can greatly enrich the user experience on your site by making it more interactive and lively. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.